This video, you're going to see how to check someone blocked me on Instagram. So there are some key ways with which you can find out if they have blocked you. So let me show you the ways. The first one is when you search for their username, their profile won't appear in search results. So let's head over to our Instagram application. And here, if you head over to the search bar and search for a person, you can't find their account. And if you can't find their account, then you can know that they have blocked you on your Instagram. And the second one is you can't see their posts, stories, or highlights. So if they have blocked you, if you also just find their account, but you won't be able to see any post or story or anything of their account. And the third one is you cannot send them direct messages, like as you can't find. If you head over to the DM section and head over to any DMs, so there will be no message bar right here. It will be shown that like this person is unavailable on Instagram. It will show like this. And the fourth one is they will disappear from your following list. So let's head over to our following list in our profile. And here in your following list, if you head over to it, you won't be able to find that specific person if they have blocked you. And last but not the least, it will display Instagram user. In some cases, their username may appear as Instagram user instead of their actual name. So sometimes if we deactivate our account, it shows that Instagram user. But if they have blocked you, it can show Instagram user too in the DMs. Let's head over here. So you'll find that in their place of their name and profile, it will be shown as Instagram user. So yeah, these are the ways with which you can just know if they have blocked you on your Instagram. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next one.